Hello everyone, I hope you people are well. Today I am discuss some important terms which are regarding operators, and I will discuss today the operator different types and operator precedence and operator associativity. So first is the unary operator. Now what is the unary operator? Unary operators are those operators which perform operation on only single operand. Like here I am writing a plus plus, so it performs the operation only on a. Plus plus are the increment operator which increments the value of a by 1. Like here the value of a is 5. By this statement means the value of a becomes 6, and the operation is performing only on a single variable a, and here variable is the operand. Now, what is the binary operator? The binary operators are those operators which perform operation on more than one operands. Like here, plus is the operator which performing on two operands. Sorry. Now, what is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are operators which perform calculation on perform mathematical calculation on operands, like multiplication, division, plus subtraction. And remember, if we want to get a reminder, in reminder in C++ we use the percentage sign, like 5 by 2 a is equal to 5 by 2. As a result, it will give me a 1 because the remainder of 5 by 2 is 1. So for a reminder, we use the percentage sign in the C++. Now compound assignment statement. Compound assignment statements is the statement in which we assign one value to more than one variable. Like here, 5 is assigned to more than one variable. We can assign it more than two variables, like to 10, 20 variables, etc, etc. Now what is the compound assignment operator? Compound assignment operator is the combination of the arithmetic operators with the equal sign. Like here the plus and equal means a is equal to a plus 10. In simple words, the line number 15 means line number 16. To add the value of a with 10 and store the value in a. Here the value of a would be this. By this calculation we get 6. Now 6 is stored in a, and here it means 6 plus 10 is equal to 16, and 16 would be stored in a. Now remove it. These are the just different techniques of writing the statements. Now what is the increment and decrement operator? Here the plus plus is the increment operator, and decrement operator means minus minus. We can also write minus minus here or plus plus here before the a. There are two terms which are prefix and postfix. Prefix prefix means to place the operators before the operand, like plus plus a. It is the prefix. And postfix means place the operators after operand, like here. Both are the same, but there is a little difference which we will discuss later. Now what is the operator precedence and operator associativity? Remember, these two things are very important, so keep it in mind. Now what is operator precedence? Operator precedence means operators of same priority. It means it's like a Board-Mass rule, but in C++ Board-Mass rule doesn't follow. If we write here, I am writing this equation. Here in C++, remember, multiplication and division are of same precedence, and plus and minus are of same precedence. If the brackets come, the bracket would be evaluated first, but in this equation I do not write a bracket. I just write these four signs. Now as I said, multiplication and division are of the same precedence. So which sign would be first evaluated by the compiler, multiplication or division? Here the another term comes, operator associativity. Operator associativity tells us that if the operators of same precedence come in same line, it would be evaluated from left to right. Here the multiply come first on the left side, so compiler will evaluate first multiply and then division. Now I'm compiling this and running. As a result, I get here a is equal to b is equal to 5. Value of a after an operator is 7, because here once I add 1 to a value of a, and then again I add the value of 1 to a. So here it becomes 6 and here it becomes 7. As a result, it display me 7, and after this calculation 7 plus 5 it display me 12. Now value here, and here value of a is 6, because I am writing 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8, add by 2 is equal to 4, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now here you are seeing the value of a is 6, and a plus is equal to 10 means that a is equal to 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. 16 would be stored in a. Now so as a result it display me 16, and here I wrote the double. So the size of operator here gives me the size of operator gives me the size of the data type, whether it is integer, double, or float or character, etc. in terms of the bytes. Here it display me 8, so it means the size of the double is 8 bytes. If I write here float, now click on build and run, size of is equal to 4, so the size of the float is 4 bytes. Okay guys, I hope you got it. If there are any questions, drop your questions in comment section. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Keep in contact.